Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to my featured channel of the week. This is a video series that I started earlier this year that is helping promote some of the smaller channels. YouTube is continually making it more difficult for smaller channels to get noticed, and today I'm going to feature a channel that I really enjoy, and I have more information coming up on this channel in just a second. Please stay tuned. Alright, let's get right into it. Who's going to be my featured channel of the week this week? This is a channel I really enjoy, and he's another great example of someone who always puts the community first before himself. He just wants to see everyone be successful. He really loves this community and just wants to see everyone be successful. When he first got into Locksport, he followed the typical pathway that many people follow when they first get into Locksport. About 3 years ago, he discovered Bosnian Bill's channel. He got inspired and really got into Locksport. About a year ago or so, he started to get inspired to make his first YouTube video. He was inspired by channels like Red Eye Locksport, Steel Pinnings, and Pick Me 1977. Since he started his YouTube channel, he has never looked back. And when you check out his channel, you can see him open up many different challenge locks, make many different helpful videos, and just him being a really great member of the community. So without further ado, the channel that we're going to feature today is no other than Bronx LockPicker60. He's a really great guy. He deserves all the recognition he can get, and I highly recommend you check out his videos. What I have done today is I've put together a quick highlight reel, which I'm going to roll in just a second, and hopefully you'll enjoy it and you'll consider subscribing and checking out his channel. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to roll his highlight reel right now.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my first video on Bronx LockPicker60, and the lock I have for you today is the Vises5540. So let's crack this baby open. And there you go. Hello everyone, and welcome back. This is Bronx LockPicker60, and first of all I'd like to thank all my subscribers who made this possible. It's very awesome. I never thought when I started this that I have subscribers that I have now, with so many other, good pickers out there. I couldn't even imagine that I would have the subscribers, and it really means a lot to me, and I'm very humbled by it. And I do it, because one, I enjoy it, and two, you guys enjoy it too, so.
Thank you for checking out the highlight reel I made on Bronx LockPicker60. He's a really great guy. He always wants to see the community be successful, and his channel is worth checking out. He makes a lot of great videos, and I really enjoy watching his channel. If you enjoyed the highlight reel I made and you'd like to see more videos by him, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link up on the top here so you can get linked directly to his channel. And also what you can do is just consider subscribing. Every subscription makes such a big difference. It helps all the smaller channels pop up higher in the search algorithm, and it just helps them get the recognition that they deserve. But either way, guys, that is all I have for you today. This has been my featured channel of the week on a really great channel. It was on Bronx LockPicker60. I really recommend that you check him out, and he has a really great channel, and he makes a lot of fun videos. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out.